here.
You can't park on the road, and I don't want to be on anyone's private property.
I know.
What is on that hill? Is there anything up there?
That house. I can get in there. Want to?
Yeah, let's. Well, don't. I wouldn't go in there. It might be cycling. It might not be on the ground. Let's see.
Where,
Hold on, you see that?
yeah.
Is that smoke or is that a... I swear I see something.
By the way, some people are asking about Nashville. There is the tornado producing storm is now past Nashville. Haven't heard anything about any additional damage reports there or anything. There are storm chasers in the area, so I'm sure we'll hear something. But
That's smoke.
Nashville will be allowed to expire here soon.
Or go up farther.
I mean, I'm afraid to go further, to be honest, because this is the town of Bay Springs.
Yeah.
That thing is going right into it, right? We're here.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything much between us and Bay Springs that would... I think we're close enough. I really do. I think when it gets closer,
It's coming through here, right?
well, it's